Charice, and today I'm going to share the correct techniques of playing this piece. Let's look at the important things over here. As you can see, this was composed in the understanding of a singing line is very important. Italian for minuet, a dance in a moderate triple time. Let's look at phrase 1, section A. The yellow line is the understanding of a beautiful singing line. How would you play this? Right hand louder than your left hand. The left hand is connected. Right hand, you should sing the line. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Bar number 1. As you can see, there is this a long slur. I will lift up and drop down. Up, down. And you will hear there is this a slight cut in between. Now in bar 3, same thing, drop and roll. That's a slur. And down. I will play a decrescendo in bar 8 before I move to bar 9. Loud, loud to soft. Bar 9, there is this moderate loud sound, MF, and I will put more weight onto my right hand rather than my left. Drop, up, drop down, loud, and I will slow down a little bit at the end. So retard and decrescendo, loud to soft.